How's it going, everyone? Mike here, July 6th. We're going to do a sales update, sales review for the last 5 days. So we're going to be looking at July 1st till 5th, and we're going to be ignoring today, which is the 6th, which is the day that I'm recording this. I'm recording this first thing in the morning. There are 3 sales so far, but I want to look at the activity over the last 5 days, like I said. As you can see here, this is the US market. 6th is included, but like I said, it's only 3 sales so far, so it's not that big of a difference. Total amount of sales, $772.58 for the total royalties of $158.57. This is not so bad. The royalties are still staying above $350 for the average of $377, as you can see here. There's definitely a few best sellers, and these are the best sellers that have been kind of selling continuously for the last, I would say, 3 months. Maybe some of them have been selling like this for a little longer, but that's kind of where we are. The total number of sales is 52. So, cracking about 50 sales in 5 days, I'm at that perfect average of 10 a day, double digits. It feels good, and as you can see here, there are sales coming in pretty much from every marketplace. Spain hasn't kicked in yet, but that's okay. Like I said, it's only 5 days in. It feels pretty good. Now I've started, like when I look at some of these numbers, so let's go back here. So as you can see here, 2 sales in the US today, 1 in Italy. Those are the 3. But looking at this kind of stuff, I understand that, when you compare it to people that are in tiers 200,000 or all these amazing sales reviews that you see online, this is extremely low. But $200 every 5 days, right? When we look at the total sales, that's what I'm talking about, $200. Every day, somebody's coming up to me and saying, hey, here's $10, here's $40, here's $25, 32, 43 every single day. And this is just one platform that I'm using, one program, which is Merch by Amazon. And a couple of years ago when I was starting, I remember the first thing that I started doing was on Etsy, and it was downloadable prints. Because to me, it was like, somebody explained it to me, and I was like, what do you mean you can sell stuff and not ship anything? Like, to me, it was like just revolutionary. And then I discovered the whole, print on demand trend, print on demand, programs that were out there. And ever since then, I've started just kind of expanding and putting out products on every single marketplace. Even Amazon through just their Seller Central, not even through merch, eBay, Etsy, all that kind of stuff. So in either case, getting to the point where you're getting $50, $60, $100 a day continuously is just honestly just starting to feel amazing. Also, I'm feeling good about July because the last, I would say, week and a half of June, the sales just nosedived, and I think it was because of everything that they were doing behind the scenes. They're still doing that, but I see a significant change whenever that happens. So anyways, my 7-day average is creeping back up, and it's like I said, this is included today, so it is above 60, and then we're getting to that 70 in the US, which is again double digits for the US market. Let's see here. So 42, Japan, for about 2 weeks at the end of June, the sales were pretty much non-existent in Japan. And Japan has been consistent for the last maybe 2-3 months. And, it surprised me. Sometimes I'll get 15, 20 sales and that kind of stuff. So for it to slow down and now to start kind of coming back, it feels really good. And I don't know, something feels different about July. I think it might be how it started. Like these kinds of days, like the 4 and the 6 here in the US, don't concern me because they are the they're the abnormal days right now. And like I said, the sales are coming in from other marketplaces, and the average is staying up. So far, so good. It's kind of being very aggressive, and most likely will beat out a lot of these months that we can see here, if it continues the way it started. And that just feels pretty good, because that means another $1,000 month in royalties or profits for merch, and that's kind of where we want to be. As you can see here, uploading every single day. I'm a little disappointed that the max daily upload has been lowered to 200, but what can you do? We just deal with it, because I want this number to explode. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.